WESH 2, this is continuing coverage of Helene.
Not a hurricane yet, but Tropical Storm Helene is growing stronger right now at 11. The brand new advisory just dropped with updated forecast models. The big story tonight, though, the almost entire state, 58 of the 67 counties in the state have some type of tropical advisory tonight.
Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty astonishing to look at, but we do have team coverage tonight ahead of the storm. Our crews spread out. Tony Atkins is in Marion County and Haley Krumholm is in Lake County as they prepare for the worst local impacts. And Justin Shecker is in the path of the storm up in the Big Bend region.
Well, let's start off with that brand new 11 o'clock advisory that just came in. First Warning meteorologist Cam Tran and Chief Meteorologist Tony Manolfi have the newest track and information. Tony.
I'll tell you what, Cam, the storm is strengthening. The big takeaway now with this latest advisories, tropical storm warnings now for Brevard and Volusia County. Flagler, you're still under a tropical storm watch. That could likely change tomorrow.
We are also noticing it's strengthening as well, and we are also seeing that path just slightly nudge to the west. Not by a lot, but even if it does, we're still going to see impacts here in Central Florida, Tony.
Yeah, and we'll also show Futurecast, which is an outlier tonight, just a little bit to the east, the opposite of all the tropical models. Hey, let's begin with a look at the latest storm parameters there. You can see it is moving now off towards the west-northwest at 10 miles an hour. The pressure from the hurricane hunters down to about 987. However, at the surface, it's still about 991. So as you can see here, there's the latest forecast cone. A nudge maybe 10 to 15 miles farther to the west. But as Cam and I have been talking about, our Futurecast model comes in very close to Cedar Key. That's the outlier. It's the first time we're seeing that. We'll show that to you here a little bit later on. The other takeaway from the cone, look at the intensity now, 120 miles an hour as you get into 8 o'clock in the evening, making landfall as a major Category 3 hurricane. Look at the cone and look at the spaghetti plots tonight. Center west, unlike center east earlier in the day. So that's a little bit of a change there as we take a look at the intensity forecast. Many of them Cat 2, Cat 3 range. And as we take a look now at the updated tropical storm watches and warnings, we've got 67 counties, as Stu just alluded to, and only 8 of them are not in an advisory. Let's take a look at the updates again. Volusia County, Brevard County, you are now under tropical storm warnings, which means that within about 36 hours time, you'll be experiencing tropical storm force winds. West Coast, we're still waiting on the interior. Weather Service Office does the inland county, so Marion County could still change, but you can see the inland tropical storm warning. So tomorrow we'll get the first waves, but the strongest and the worst of the weather arrives Thursday mid-morning and continues to creep up towards the north and the east. With more on the impacts, here's Cam Tran.
So Tony and I have mentioned that the path is just ever so slightly off to the west. However, we're still going to see impacts here in Central Florida. Something we want to emphasize, as well as the National Hurricane Center wants to emphasize, is this is going to be a very large system, and it's going to even strengthen and become even larger as it enters the Gulf of Mexico. So regardless of that shift in the path towards the west, again, I want to emphasize we are going to still see some impacts, and some of that includes very strong winds. We are talking about hurricane force gusts out towards the west in places like Marion County, tropical storm strength winds in the Orlando metro with winds well over 55 miles per hour, especially west of I-4, east of I-4. We're talking about winds of about 45 miles per hour. So wind impacts there, and we're also looking at the impacts for some severe weather. Because we're on the eastern side of the system, sometimes it's referred to the dirty side. With that squally weather moving in, we get some embedded spin-ups. So usually if we do see a tornado threat, it's on the lower end, but it's still there. And especially that will be the case as we go into Thursday. For Thursday, we are under the yellow, which is a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe thunderstorms that day. For tomorrow, we're under a level 1 out of 5 risk. So we do have that risk even for tomorrow, mostly in the late afternoon. So if you're just tuning in and you haven't gotten those preps yet, we still have a brief window through the morning tomorrow. We can get those hurricane preps ready. Once we get into the afternoon, we're going to start to see some of those downpours from those outer bands of Helene. Remember, it's a very large system, so we'll start to see some of those impacts already by tomorrow afternoon. Coming up in a few minutes, Chief Meteorologist Tony Manolfi and I will go county by county for you and show you your local impacts at home, and also dive more into that 11 o'clock advisory that literally just came down minutes before we went on air, coming up in 15 minutes.
All right, Kim, thank you. Now is the time to go ahead and download the WESH 2 mobile app and turn on alerts. The news team is constantly updating the app with the newest storm information, and we will send you push alerts for any severe weather alerts in your neighborhood.